Hello, today we are going to discuss exercise 6.5 triangle with 13 problems on this. So for that problem, D and E are the points on the side CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC, right angle at C. Prove that A is squared. So A is squared plus BD squared equal to AB squared plus DE squared. So check that things. So all are hypotenuses of the particular triangles. So try to write all the Pythagoras form of the right angle triangle. So consider each and every triangle and try to write all the Pythagoras form, and finally you can conclude the problem. So for that, by the Pythagoras theorem, triangle ACE, AE is diagonal. So that we can write AC squared plus CE squared equal to AE squared. 1. Now in a triangle BCD, so its hypotenuse BD. So BD squared equal to BC squared plus CD squared. You can write. From these two equations, we can add this. So AC squared plus CE squared plus BC squared plus CD squared equal to AE squared plus BD squared. Next, in the same way, we are going to find another triangle CDE. CDE. DE squared equal to CD squared plus CE squared. So in the triangle, bigger triangle ABC, AB squared equal to AC squared plus BC squared. Putting the above to the values of equation 3. Why? We return AC squared plus CB squared. AC squared plus CB squared. I can replace AB squared. Similarly, I can replace this thing. So from this you can conclude that DE squared plus AB squared. So DE squared plus AB squared equal to AE squared plus BD squared. So idea is just to try to use the Pythagoras form of the particular triangle, compare one to another, we can get the result. So next problem, the perpendicular from A on side BC, the perpendicular on side AD on BC of a triangle ABC intersect BC at D such that given DB is equal to 3 times of CD. So prove that this thing. So given is a right angle triangle and the condition also. So that given is perpendicular from A on sides BC of a triangle ABC intersect of BC at D such that given this DB equal to 3 times of CD. So now construct this perpendicular, no. So now just write the condition BD equal to 3 CD. Now write in this triangle ADB, AB is diagonal. So AB squared equal to AD squared plus BD squared return. Similarly, in this triangle ADC, AC squared equal to AD squared plus DC squared. Now we need to prove, just think AB and AC are hypotenuses. So for that we need to, what we want to do, here we need to change AB and AC in right side, no? So we need to subtract from AB. So that's why we are going to subtract AB squared and AC squared. So it's in the left side. That means plus means we can add these two things. Now it's in right side, so we need to change. And another one is nothing but BC. So BC relation is given. So substitute that relation. So we need to subtract that relation is given AD squared you can cancel BD squared minus DC squared. Now already you have BD equal to 3 times of CD. So substitute 3 CD the whole square. So 9 CD squared. So 9 CD squared minus CD squared is 8 CD squared. Right. Now we need to write in the form of BC. Already you have CD equal to 1 by 3 BD. Substitute. So finally AB squared minus AC squared equal to BC squared divided by 2. So what we want to understand, AB squared we need to find, AC squared we need to find, and BC squared already is there. So we need to write according this relation. So for that AB squared minus AC squared equal to BD squared minus BC squared. Okay. Now BD squared already we know that, substitute. So automatically you can get 9CD squared minus CD squared is we have. Okay. Now 9CD squared equal to, here just think BC is nothing but BD plus CD. So replace 3CD plus CD, that is 4CD. So BC equal to 4CD. So BC equal to 4CD. I need to replace here CD equal to just BC divided by 4. So it's written BC divided by 4 the whole square. Right. So substitute this thing. So the whole square, so divided by 16. Automatically you can cancel 8 and 16. So BC square divided by 2. So already left side you have answer AB square minus AC square. So divided by 2 we can write left side 2 into AB square minus AC square equal to BC square. So 2 times of AB square minus 2 times of AC square equal to BC square. So you can replace it in right side. So here only you need to understand. So what you want to understand here, just BD equal to 3CD, BD equal to 3CD. So that is 9CD minus CD, here 8CD. Actually you need to change as 8CD, 8, change as 8. So 8CD squared equal. So now CD in the form of BC. Now CD and DB is BC. Substitute. BC equal to CD plus DB. Substitute. Use the relation. And finally we can get 4CD. That's CD. We can replace instead of CD. So after that we can get BC divided by 4 the whole square. BC square divided by 16. We can cancel. 8 by 16 is 1 by 2. So now we can using the cross multiplication 2 we can write. In this picture, you need to replace, you need to change 9 minus 1, 8. Here, 8. After that, you can solve. Next problem. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on the side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 of BC. So by this only we need to put your point D here. Why? It's 1 by 3 BC. So 1 by 1/3 of BC. So now we need to prove this 9 AD squared equal to 7 AD squared. So now we are in a Pythagoras form. For that we need to construct a perpendicular line. That perpendicular line we need to draw. So construct a triangle ABC. Here D is the point on side BC means such that BD equal to given. Now draw the perpendicular line DE on the side BC. Now just think about this point. It's an equilateral triangle. If you have a sides A, then automatically BE is A by 2. So BE equal to EC. So finally BC divided by 2 equal to A by 2. Now AE equal to, already we know that it's height of the equilateral triangle A into root 3 by 2. If sides of equilateral triangle A, we can use AE equal to A into root 3 by 2. So given BD, substitute this thing. So the BD equal to, substitute that value. So finally you can get E divided by 3. BD equal to A by 3. Why? Already we have BD equal to given 1 by 3 BC. BCA. So A divided by 3. Now DE we need. So DE is nothing but BE minus BD. Because we need this triangle or this triangle. AD and AD. AD and AD. So for that we need two right angle triangle. So now we need this whole side and this side line. So that this side is nothing but BE minus BD. So written. So A by 2 minus A by 3. This is A by 2. is a by 3 given. So from this LCM we can get a by 6. Now in a triangle ADE, AD square equal to AE square plus AD square. So all those things we know that substitute a by 2 root 3 whole square. So a squared into 3 by 4. So a squared by 36. After finding the LCM, 4 and 36. So 36. Here we need to multiply by 9. So that 9 into 3 plus 27 plus 1. So 28 a squared by 36. So after cancellation, this cancellation by 4. 4 divided by 9 a square. What is meant by a square? Side A. I can replace A. So I can replace AB equal to small b. So small a equal to side AB. So I can write 28 into a square by 36. A square as AB square. Now using the cross multiplication, 9 into AD square equal to 7 AB square. Okay. So in this problem idea, you need to construct a right angle triangle ABE and ADE and use the given condition BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. It's equilateral triangle. You can consider the side 2A or you can consider the side A. By this you can find your height of the triangle. Then you can relate with AD and then AB. So you can write AD square minus AB square. After that substitute all the known values, you can achieve this result. Okay. Similarly, we are going to do the next problem. So for that, in an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side, 3 times the side of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. So one of its altitude. Now in an equilateral triangle ABC, we need to construct the height or altitude. Let the side of the equilateral triangle be length E, total length A, and AE is the altitude of this triangle. Now BE is nothing but A by 2. Total distance A means A by 2, and similarly BC is nothing but A. Now in a triangle ABE, A squared plus B squared. Substitute. Now A squared we need to compare. So A squared equal to A squared, small a squared minus A by 2 the whole square. So A squared by 4. So after finding the LCM, 4A squared minus A squared, 3A squared by 4. So 4A squared equal to 3A squared. So it's nothing but 4 into A squared. It's a height. So square of altitude, square, that is this square of altitude equal to 3 times we taken BC side as A or AB side as small a. So 3 into square of one side. So this thing is the problem. So like that we do. Right. Next problem is the choose the best question. Take the correct answer and justify in triangle ABC, AB given, AC given and BC given. So let us try to look the number, all the sides given, construct any one triangle ABC like that. Now choose the bigger line. Now AC 12, 6 definitely is not a hypotenuse side. Definitely 6 root 3, 6 into root 3 value 1.73 root 3 something. So it's also not a side. So maybe this side. Now AB squared equal to 6 root 3 the whole square. So 6 squared into root 3 whole square is 36 into 3. So 36 into 3, 108. AC squared 154. Now BC squared 6 squared 36. So 36 plus 108 is nothing but 144. Now we can reach AB square plus BC squared AC square. By converse part of the Pythagoras theorem, if this thing satisfied, we can tell any one side is a right angle, any one adjacent is a right angle triangle. So definitely take the correct answer. The angle of B is, why we want to choose B? Repeated AB squared AB, BC squared B. So definitely at B it should be 90 degree. So we can choose the thing is, and B is 90 degree. Like that we can prove this exercise. Thank you.